Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes. This twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 275 miles on the odometer. Pristine condition, frame sliders, fender eliminator, bike's like brand new. Beautiful metallic white paint scheme. Fuel injected twin cylinder, liquid cooled, 6-speed transmission, and dual disc ABS up front. Come on by, make your Ninja dreams come true for just $89.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.